Welcome to my channel once again. In this video we're going to basically discuss two things about B network. Number one is withdrawal update, and number two is contract address, how to import the contract address. However, with no doubt I've shown you guys how to do it, but a lot of people have been asking me that they don't know how to import the contract address up till now. So that is going to be my second discussion. However, let us start with the first one, which is the question that is triggering everyone mining B network today, which is the withdrawal update of the network. Okay, so before we move on, guys, if we come to the wallet section now, this is actually where the withdrawal of the airdrop is going to take place. And all you need to do is that when you are here, you click on swap here, which is the swap option here. After clicking on swap option, guys, you know there are two ways you can do this. You have to swap from B to USDT. After swapping from B to USDT, the balance in USDT will be appearing here. Then you know the trading, which is the P2P trading, cannot be taking place here. The place you can carry out P2P trading so that you can convert to your local currency is Bybit, okay, or BitGet, okay. So if we come to Bybit here, you are going to see it now. You see it now. So if we come to this particular option, which is P2P trading, you can now convert to your various currency. Now the biggest question is that how do you now withdraw? That is, how do you withdraw your coins here to USDT directly? Guys, we are going to discuss that in detail. All you need to do is to watch the video till the end, and if it's the first time coming to my channel, consider subscribing. So what you are going to do next is this. If you come home, you are going to click on the three lines at the top corner of the screen. Then you see setting there. Do you see setting sign up there? You are going to click on it. After clicking on setting, guys, you scroll down here and make sure you complete your KYC verification. That is step number one. Without your KYC verification, you will not be able to carry out tradings. Okay, so the next thing you are going to do is this. You have to come back and make sure that you invite some people, because inviting people is part of what B network will be using as eligibility criteria for withdrawal. Okay, so the next thing is this. Concerning about the mainnet launching, B have not officially launched the mainnet. Okay, that means without the mainnet being launched, you will not be able to carry out the swapping to USDT yet. Now what you should do is this. If we come to this place now, which is the same swapping I showed you earlier, if you want to swap from B to USDT, you click on this sign up here. You're supposed to have to see B. Okay, if you click on B, you're supposed to see it here, especially under Polygon, because remember we use Polygon then, but unfortunately it's not here at the moment. Why? Because the mainnet have not been launched yet. However, for people that are interested, they are buying this B in black market. Okay, however, I strongly don't advise you to do that, especially when you don't know the person, when the person that want to buy from you is not close to you. Okay, because there is a scamming alert currently going on everywhere, that people buy B network without paying. People scam miners of B network of their hard mined coin. So you have to be very careful. And secondly, if you are not in financial instability, it is advisable you leave it until the official launch of the network. Okay, as there may be price difference when it is finally launched. Okay, that is, there may be increase in price when the airdrop finally launch. So you have to be very careful. So the only way you can withdraw your B on the only way you can withdraw your Bitcoin on B network, as I keep on telling you, is when you come to reward center. Here your reward signing can be converted to USDT, because the criteria here is this. If we come to the criteria of withdrawal of B rewards, we scroll down a little bit, you see this particular option, which is how to withdraw. And under how to withdraw here, you will see this particular criteria. It says that at least 500 coin balance. Okay, so when you have at least 500 coins on your B rewards account, on your B reward balance, you can withdraw it. And we scroll down a little bit, so you also see this one, which says that besides you already have 10 teammates or 1000 teammates rewards coin, you can withdraw directly after 7B earning seasons. Okay, so if you have 10 teammates or 1000 teammates reward coins, you can now withdraw to your bank account. Okay, following the criteria given here, but you must have the minimum of 500 bitcoins on your rewards. Okay, you can now convert that one to USDT. Apart from that, the main withdrawal is not open yet. For people that are still struggling to import their contract address, all you need to do is to click on these three lines here. Do you see it? Then the next thing you are going to do is to let me first of all delete this one so that I'll show you how to do it properly. You come to this place, which is import tokens. After clicking on import tokens, the next thing you're going to do is to click on network here. If you don't see your network here, it is important you update your app. It means that your app is not up to date. So after clicking on it, you see this particular option, which is Polygon. Okay, so you are going to select that Polygon. After selecting Polygon, you are going to come to the contract address here and paste in the contract address I'm going to drop for you. So let us import now, and it will just load up. Everything will show up. The name will be showing B, and you'll see decimal 18. So what you're going to do now is to click on confirm. And after confirm, there, so your B network have been added, and you have seen it as Polygon now. Okay, so all you need to do is to wait until your B started getting migrated. After being migrated, you now see it as balance here, and you see the value it's worth in USDT here, and in that case you'll now be able to trade it. Okay, so guys, that is it, and this is what I have for you about B network at the moment. If you find this video interesting, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.